Hey everybody, I wanted to make a short video that shows you how to open up Microsoft Word in your Central Alabama Community College account so that you can share things with me through your email. If you share a Google Doc with me, I cannot open it up on my CAC computer. It won't open. Our network doesn't allow for it. So you have to, if you're going to share through email or upload to Moodle, you have to use your Microsoft Word account so that I can open up your assignments. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. You do need to know how to log in to your email. So your email username and your email password. So you're going to go to CAC's website. You're going to click on Students and then go down here and click on Student Email. And then you're going to log into your email account just like you're checking your email. And then it's going to send you to your dashboard. So your dashboard is filled with all of the things that you have opened recently. And then if you look on the left side of the screen, you have all these different buttons over here. So the O is for Outlook, that's your email. P is for PowerPoint, that's kind of like Google Slides. The X is for Excel, that's kind of like Google Sheets. And then the W is Microsoft Word. So you click on the W for Microsoft Word and you add a new blank document. If you typed your paper in Google Docs, then copy and paste it, click on a new blank document and copy and paste your Google document into the Microsoft Word. Okay, and then you can come up here where it says document, click on that and you can type your title and hit enter, and then your title is saved and you can copy and paste your essay into the page. You might have to fix a little formatting, like maybe if your spacing gets kind of messed up, you'll have to go back and fix that, but that shouldn't happen. It should copy and paste pretty seamlessly. If you want to share a document with me, then you would click File and then come down here and click Share. And you'll just type in my email address or my name. And you click on my name and then you click Send and you have shared the document with me. If you want to save it to your computer, even if you have a Chromebook, you can still save it to your computer. You would click Save As. Hold on a second. Click Save As and then click Download a Copy. And you can either download a copy of the Word or download a copy as a PDF, but you can choose either one of these. And when you upload it to Moodle, this is what you would upload, either this copy that you've downloaded of the Word document or as a PDF. And so how to upload things in Moodle is in another video that I posted. But if you have problems accessing Microsoft Word or working in Microsoft Word, please email me and give me very detailed information about what is happening, what is wrong, what it's not doing, so that I can help you fix it. And that's it. So I hope this helps. See you later.